Welcome to the future of Forex trading, where precision meets automation and strategy meets scalability. In this video, we breaking down exactly how Innohedge is innovating Forex trading using advanced AI tools and automation workflows, not just for tech's sake, but to give traders like you a measurable edge. Let's dive into how it works. Phase 1. Smarter market analysis with AI. Traditional technical analysis relies on human interpretation of indicators, RSI, MACD, Fibonacci zones. But human bias leads to inconsistency. At Innohedge, we've integrated AI-powered pattern recognition that scans thousands of Forex charts across multiple time frames in real time, identifying patterns like double tops, head and shoulders, supply, demand zones, and even hidden divergences with over 92% visual accuracy. But we don't stop there. We use natural language processing AI to break down economic news into trading signals. That means instead of wasting time parsing central bank statements, our models extract sentiment, interest rate bias, and volatility keywords, all summarized directly into actionable intelligence. This lets traders move faster and act with data clarity, not noise. Phase 2. Strategy automation without code. One of the biggest breakthroughs at Innohedge is the ability for our traders to automate strategies without touching a single line of code. Using our in-house strategy builder, powered by AI logic blocks, you can visually drag and drop conditions like RSI crossing below, 30 price breaking upper Bollinger Band ATR volatility, above 1.5x average volume spike confirmation. Then set your entry, stop loss, and take profit logic. The result? You've just built a bot-quality strategy, customized for your system, without ever writing code. And here, what? Even more powerful. You can run these strategies in backtest mode, simulate them on live charts, and even deploy them live on Mount 4 or MT5 using our connector. So it's not just AI for alerts, it's full-scale automation for execution. Phase 3. Trade management with AI precision. The trade doesn't end when you enter, and neither does our automation. At Innohedge, we've developed AI-guided trade managers that adjust stops dynamically based on volatility, time decay, or session overlap. Example: let's say you're in a trade during London Open. If volume spikes and volatility expands, the trade manager tightens stops using a real-time ATR trailing logic, protecting your profit while keeping you in the trend. You stay focused on your edge, while the AI handles the mechanics. Phase 4. Performance optimization. Every trade is tracked, but not just for profit or loss. We use machine learning models to analyze your entire trade history across dimensions like entry timing, precision over exposure to specific pairs, reaction to economic events, emotional bias. Then we feed this back to you as a trader performance report. So you're not just reacting, you're improving with structure. It's like having a private coach and quant analyst built into your terminal. Final thoughts. Innohedge isn't just another signal provider or education platform. We're building a full-stack trading infrastructure, where AI and automation don't replace the trader. They empower the trader. From smart strategy design to lightning-fast execution, to disciplined post-trade analytics, this is the future of Forex trading, and it's here now. So if you're ready to move beyond outdated manual systems, if you want to stop guessing and start operating like a strategist, join Innohedge today. Let's automate what slows you down. Let's amplify what makes you profitable. Let's trade intelligently with the tools of tomorrow, today.